Good afternoon, folks. Mark here in the fan cave. It is Tuesday, May 30th, 2023, and I've promised you guys eventually I would make a video of my BFD. Now, this is this is an antique. I bought it from a guy in Revere who his father had actually picked it up used and installed it in the garage. I have it so low because I have a hooked piece of rebar that it's connected to. I do not have a J hook large enough to accommodate a bushing of this magnitude. So anyway, let's take her for a test spin. And that's about as fast as I'm comfortable having it going, given its wobbliness. I have nothing to really connect it to other than the rebar connected to the loft. And I really don't feel like pulling the loft down. So anyway, there you have it. It's yeah, pretty well. I guess it was pretty well oiled. I haven't done anything to it so far, but unless I did when I got it a few years ago. Maybe I don't remember, but I don't think I've done anything to it. One of the blades is slightly bent upward, yeah, I mean it still cranks for an old fan. Yeah, I'll do the spin down here just because I'm curious to see how long it takes. I'd forgotten how uncomfortable it was to get down onto the floor. Although the true test will be getting back up again. And thank you very much for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe. There we go. I'm going to move over a bit so you can see the tag. Oh, I'm getting too old for this. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck.